my boyfriend hated tofu until he tasted my cooking. Alrighty guys, if you want to learn how to make this tofu huevo, go ahead and keep on watching. All you really need, honestly, is the right seasonings to make your food super flavorful. I did make a recipe for you guys, but I just want to say I added spinach and pepper towards the end, but I'll get to that later. Go ahead and start by chopping your potatoes into small bite-sized pieces. And you want to preheat your pan on low-medium heat. Go ahead and get that warmed up and add your potatoes. The only reason I don't season them before is because I like to get them coated with the oil so the seasoning sticks on better. Once those are evenly coated, you're gonna go ahead and season them. I don't have measurements here, I just eyeball it, but honestly, just sprinkle how much ever you want. The onion powder is a little stuck, that's why you see me going at it a little harder. And go ahead and add some garlic salt, onion powder. I added smoked paprika, and I'm gonna add a little bit of pepper as well. Go ahead and give that a good mix.
A few moments later.
Okay, so once the potatoes have been cooking for about 15 to 20 minutes, you're gonna go ahead and add some soy chorizo to that. Okay, so meanwhile, let's prepare our half a block of tofu. I'm gonna go ahead and add some nutritional facts here for you guys, just to compare it to a regular scrambled egg. We're gonna go ahead and mash that up with a fork. Now for the main ingredient, black salt. You guys, this is the most important part. The hype is real. It smells just like boiled egg, and it's a healthier alternative to table salt. You guys have to get this. I got mine on Amazon. It retails for about $8. So I did eyeball the measurements again just because I already know how this recipe goes. I made it so many times. I'm gonna go ahead and add the small minced garlic. You can use minced garlic, you can use the garlic clove, chop it up nice and fine. Now we're adding turmeric, which you guys are probably used to seeing a bunch of tofu scramble recipes. It gives it that nice yellow, eggy color. Wanted to quickly add, if you guys have nutritional yeast, go ahead and add 3 tablespoons of that. I just ran out, so.
Meanwhile.
So disclaimer, this is where I added my serrano pepper. If you guys have jalapeno or serrano, it doesn't matter, go ahead and add that here, because I feel like the smoked paprika and the crushed red pepper adds flavor. It doesn't really add spiciness. Go ahead and chop all your veggies, your mushrooms, your pepper, and your bell peppers to little bite-sized pieces. I got these sweet peppers. You guys can use the big bell pepper. Honestly, it doesn't matter the color. It just adds a nice crunch. And I did go ahead and chop up my onions. I used about 1/4 of a cup off camera. So time to season the veggies. My mom actually got this from Mexico. I can't tell you guys where exactly to purchase it. I'm not sure if it's online, but this one's really good. We make it with rice and veggies. It comes out so bomb every single time. I'm gonna add about this much. The reason I added the vegetables at the end is because I like to keep the crunch in the bell peppers, and I do not like my mushrooms super mushy and soggy, so it gives it a really good texture. So I did forget to include spinach in the recipe. I washed about a handful, chopped that up, and added that to my mix. And then I waited about 2 minutes until I added some cheese. I used this one by Follow Your Heart. You guys can go ahead and use mozzarella, cheddar, pepper jack, it really does not matter. It's all gonna melt. I cover that up with a lid and let the steam melt the cheese. And this is optional. I like mine with mayo. I did not do this with egg, but with this recipe it's really, really good. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know if you want to see more recipes created by me because I have a lot.